Welcome to Vital's Health. In this video, we'll explore the multitude of health benefits associated with turmeric and how it can contribute to your overall well-being. Just like the remarkable advantages uncovered by scientific studies in the case of pumpkin seeds, turmeric has its own set of incredible properties. By the end of this video, you'll have a comprehensive understanding of the scientific research behind turmeric and its potential health benefits. Researchers have examined the bioactive compounds found in turmeric and their effects on human health. Let's dive into the world of turmeric and its potential benefits. In the scientific studies conducted, bioactive compounds found in turmeric, such as curcumin, have been the focus of attention. These compounds exhibit promising activities that can have a positive impact on various aspects of health. For example, curcumin is known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Turmeric offers a wide range of health benefits, making it a valuable addition to your diet. Some of the key advantages include its potential to reduce inflammation, improve digestive health, and provide relief from various health conditions. Turmeric is known for its ability to reduce oxidative stress in the body, potentially lowering the risk of chronic diseases. Turmeric contains compounds that may promote heart health and support the immune system. Regular consumption of turmeric may help reduce the risk of certain heart-related issues and boost your overall well-being. Additionally, it's a source of antioxidants that help neutralize harmful free radicals in the body. Turmeric is packed with essential nutrients, including vitamins and minerals. It's an excellent source of vitamins like C and B6, as well as minerals like iron and potassium. These nutrients play crucial roles in various bodily functions, including maintaining healthy skin, supporting immune function, and promoting heart health. The vibrant color and earthy flavor of turmeric make it a versatile ingredient in various culinary dishes. It's not just a spice, it's a culinary delight. You can use turmeric in both sweet and savory recipes, from curries to smoothies. Let's explore some delicious recipes that showcase the versatility of turmeric. One classic recipe is a hearty turmeric-infused curry. All you need is some fresh turmeric or turmeric powder, along with a variety of vegetables and your choice of protein. Simply cook everything in a pot until tender, then add a blend of aromatic spices. Another delightful dish is a turmeric-based golden milk. This warm and soothing beverage combines turmeric, milk, and spices. It's known for its potential to reduce inflammation and provide relaxation and comfort. You can enjoy it before bedtime for a peaceful night's sleep. And let's not forget the world of turmeric teas and turmeric-infused desserts. These are just a few examples of how you can incorporate turmeric into your culinary adventures and experience its wonderful flavors and health benefits. Whether you use fresh turmeric or turmeric powder, you can enjoy the delicious and healthy benefits of this amazing spice. It's not just about the flavor, it's about nourishing your body from within. Did you know that turmeric has also found its place in the world of natural remedies? It's often used for its potential to alleviate a range of health issues, from digestive problems to joint pain. With its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, turmeric has become a trusted ally in promoting well-being. Turmeric can be used in various forms, including supplements and topical applications. You can find turmeric supplements that provide a concentrated dose of curcumin, making it easy to incorporate into your daily routine. Additionally, turmeric can be applied topically to the skin. It's known for its potential to enhance skin health and promote a radiant complexion. You can create turmeric-based face masks and creams or find beauty products that harness the power of turmeric for skincare. By incorporating turmeric into your diet and wellness routine, you can unlock the incredible health benefits it offers. Whether you're savoring its flavor in your meals or using it as a natural remedy for various health concerns, turmeric is truly a treasure. There are countless ways to explore the benefits of turmeric and how it can enrich your life. It's a versatile spice that can be enjoyed in your culinary creations, as well as in your holistic approach to health and well-being. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of turmeric and its health-enhancing properties. If you found this video informative and inspiring, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content on natural remedies, healthy recipes, and beauty tips. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll continue to explore the wonders of the natural world and how they can contribute to your vitality and well-being. Until then, take care, and embrace the benefits of turmeric in your daily life. See you in the next video.